Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. Today I will be teaching you how you can unsend your messages on Messenger Lite. So without any further ado, let's get right on to the video. First, you need to go on to your Messenger Lite application on your phone, and then you will see your message page. And now you have to choose what message you want to unsend. And for the video, I'll be unsending this message right here. For this, you have to long press on the message, and then you'll see a bunch of icons and options popping up. Now you'll see that you have a dustbin icon and with remove written on just under the icon. So you have to click on the remove button and you can delete it, and just like that you have unsent your message or removed your message from Messenger Lite. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and also comment down what video you want to see next. And this is all for today. See you in the next video.